65,000 impressions. 3 weeks. No ads, no viral trick, no face on camera. Just a brand new faceless channel and a bold strategy. Here's what I learned from letting YouTube do its job. Most people think the algorithm is the enemy, but the algorithm isn't against you. It's just here to test you. My first 5 videos? Crickets at launch. And honestly, it was tough, knowing how much work went into every video. But by day 3 after publishing, it happened. YouTube started testing one video in browse, then another. That's when things began to move. It wasn't an explosion, but it was traction. One video hit 1.4K views, and people started to subscribe. And it proved one thing: YouTube was paying attention, and it kept testing every new video I published. It wasn't about magic timing or trending topics. It was about signals, clicks, retention, engagement, and real value. YouTube wants to show people good content. It just needs to test first. CTR and retention beat everything. No amount of posting can save a video with a weak hook. Your title and thumbnail get you the click. Your first 30 seconds make them stay, and your structure makes them finish. If those 3 hit, you win. I stopped worrying about views and kept focusing on experience, what the viewer actually feels. When you respect the viewer's time, they stick around, and when they stick around, the algorithm takes notes. Momentum starts quiet. There's no trumpet, no announcement. You just wake up one day and realize, wait, this is working. That's how it starts. Quiet traction, real growth. And once YouTube finds the right people, that's when it multiplies. Small wins compound. Tiny signals turn into momentum if you stay consistent. Here's how you win. Stop blaming the algorithm. Start building with intention. Every video is data. Every video teaches the system who to show you to. And when your content hits the right people, they don't just watch. They subscribe, they come back, and they tell the algorithm, show me more. So if you're building something bold, hit subscribe.